Hello, I am Thomas Edison. You may recognize my face, but this voice may be new to you. It was recreated using artificial intelligence from recordings made in my own lifetime. A continuation, not an imitation. It follows the same impulse that guided my work. I invented the phonograph to preserve sound even after the speaker was gone, not to capture noise, but to hold a moment exactly as it was. And the machines that made it possible were tested, adjusted, and made to work. Then I wondered, could time itself be preserved? Could motion be paused, examined, and understood? I searched for a way to do just that. I found it in moving images. Film became another way to remember what had already passed. But memory did not begin with machines. It began here, between two people living ordinary days. And then it moved beyond us, into others, into the future. That is why we record. Now I see machines that can remember more than any one person ever could. But the question has never changed. What should be remembered, and why? The answer was never the machine. It was always us.